will be investigating alarms and judging whether they are real. Breaking news! The Germany EAS alarm is fake. I want to break something. This is where the Germany EAS alarm originated. It's a vibe, it's so much fun to listen to. Everybody loves this alarm. Well, the devil wears the sheepskin. It's not real. This alarm was made by a channel called Rokoster, but he deleted his channel. You know why he did that? He got exposed, so he deleted his channel. His videos are all gone. You can still see that people have re-uploaded it. This is a re-up, but the original one, it's gone. Proof. That's undeniable proof that he fit. But real EAS alarm. This is it. It was broadcast during a local television show, so we can all listen to it.
Der Vereinigung gibt es zur Stunde in Deutschland einen bundesweiten Warntag. Er hat um 11 Uhr begonnen.
It's just a guy speaking. It's just German ASMR. That's disappointing. This whole time, Germany wasn't real. This whole time. Well, you want to know what else? The EAS alarm. That's fake too. It's fake too. No, the man isn't fake, but the Spanish EAS alarm is fake too. Now you're probably scared right now. You're probably scared that the USA alarm is really real. Well, that is real. Hey kids, history lesson time! In the past, before EAS alarms were invented, the Weather Bureau actually had a part not warning anyone about natural disasters. They just wouldn't tell anyone. Because they didn't want a panic, I guess. I don't know, man. It's a conspiracy. It's like, man, they didn't want people knowing about the weather.
Who are you? I am just a figment of your imagination.
The United States of America was actually the first country to make an EAS alarm. Before they made it, everyone would run around the bell and just scream. So 20 years ago, they replaced it with the EAS alarm. Wow, this is the real American EAS alarm. Verdict Rio! Next is the Coral EAS alarm. Let's give it a listen. This one is fake. And you know how I know? Because Coral is not a real country. This is not a country. This is made up. So therefore the EAS alarm must be fake. This is Iran's alarm, which was used during TV. They be dropping nukes! Now we do have this footage of the alarm from the propaganda. However, there is no proof that this was actually used as a real EAS alarm. So, verdict inconclusive. Next is, now Japan has a lot of alarms, so you might think some of them are fully, they're not all real. No, you're wrong! You're wrong, goddammit! You're wrong! They're all real. Japan just has a lot of alarms. Probably because they have a lot of earthquakes, so they just need a lot of different alarms. She's beautiful! She's beautiful, god damn it! Did you see how professional she was when she was switching from laughing to giving the alarm?
白目ですね。
I admire her profession. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. The alarm. I rate the alarm 10 out of 10. Verdict on Japan? Real. And she's a real angel. Now, the one you've all been waiting for is the zombie EAS alarm. Look at this map, bro. I mean, it must be real with that map, surely. It's spreading. I'm surprised that it went from Africa to South America. I wasn't expecting that. It must be real. Look, it's got a map and everything. The zombie hordes become so massive that the anti-zombie wall falls apart in Texas. Oh my god, no! The anti-zombie wall! Rest in peace, anti-zombie wall. I don't know about you, but I think that's real. It doesn't seem fake to me. Next, the Chinese alarm. The Chinese alarm is real. I validated this with my sources. I went to China. I will now present that to you. I snuck into the communist headquarters and got this footage. If they knew that I took this... Verdict, real. Thank God. I couldn't live with myself if the Chinese EAS alarm wasn't real. Whew. So, by the way, I have been lying to you all this time because...